Channel 5. I want to break into your house.
At least I asked. A burglar wouldn't, and it wouldn't be hard with one of these. You probably have never heard of a bump key, but criminals have. Keys work because the cuts fit into the pattern of the tumblers in the lock. When you turn it, the tumblers move to the correct height to open the lock. When you put a bump key in a lock and hit it hard, it pushes the tumblers to the right height, and if you turn it at just the right time, the lock opens as well.
There it is.
Are they hard to use?
I did it.
I'm a mechanical bumpkin, and I could do it.
I did it.
Oh, you got it.
I did it on a padlock.
Oh, my gosh.
And on Eric Oberlin's front door.
I'm in your house.
Certainly, I don't feel very, secure.
Police tell McIntyre they are illegal in California without a locksmith license, but you can find them for as cheap as $2 each on the internet. How do you prevent such break-ins? High-security locks built with different kinds of tumblers.
It uses a very unique key with rotating discs.
Possibly a good investment against a secret the bad guys know and the good guys are just learning about.